Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove video effects from videos in the CapCut PC. So here I've already opened my projects in the CapCut PC. Let's say I want to add this blur effect to my video. So you can simply just drag it or click on a plus icon just like this. If you use the plus icon and you want to remove it, you can just click on the effects on the timeline and tap on delete button in here or use the delete button on your keyboard. But if you use the effect by dragging it and here put it on top of the effects, when you click on the timeline, you can see there is no effects seen on the timeline, but the effect is there. And if you want to remove it, you can just tap on this effects icon on the top left corner of the video on the timeline in a CapCut PC, and this effect will be appear. Click on the effects and again click on the delete button and the effects will be removed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.